guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natashea, and if you are new here, my channel is about luxury, all things luxury. Luxury travel, luxury purchases, luxury fashion, luxury opinions, luxury living, and just living life in your highest potential. So today I wanted to do a quick unboxing for two items that I received while I was in Florida. I received from the universe. I don't know. Anyway, I purchased these items in Florida. I actually purchased them when did I purchase these? In May, okay? But the vlog that's on my channel right now that I uploaded the same day as this upload was from August. So in August, I don't think I purchased anything luxury. Don't think I did. I did not. But in May, when I went for like 4 or 5 days, I did. So that's what today's unboxing is about. If you haven't already watched, there's also a Fendi Skims unboxing on my channel today as well. Getting right into it, I have a fairly big box. And no, obviously it's not a Birkin or anything, and a small box. These were both items on my wish list, and yeah, I'm really excited that I was able to purchase these and get them because they were not available on the website. But anyway, getting into the small item first. Okay, and let me just disclaimer this by saying I'm not purchasing all these things so I have a purchase history at Hermes so I can get a Birkin later on. Do I want a Birkin or a Kelly? Absolutely. Am I buying these things because of the Birkin and Kelly? Absolutely not. These are items I wanted personally, and purchase history or not, I know I can manifest a Birkin. But anyway, here is the first item. So you can probably guess what it is, and obviously I've opened these already, and they're these beautiful earrings, the H earrings I think they're called, I don't know, but basically here they are. They're pink and rose gold actually. This is the smallest model they carry, and I wanted to make sure they felt more like studs than, you know, like hanging off of my ear like that. But anyway, I digress. They are absolutely beautiful. So they come in this like little velvet pouch. I believe you can take this pouch out. Okay, maybe not. You cannot. It is okay, but you can take this piece out. I guess it is best to just keep it in the actual original like packaging. So, and the backing, okay, it has like little detail on there that says made in France on both backings, and they're absolutely gorgeous, and they're pink, and I absolutely love them. So there's that. The next item is the bigger box, which again, the item inside I have not yet used, but I have opened. Okay, so it had a pretty ribbon or whatever. I did unbox it on my closet channel, closet Instagram, when I initially got it, but I had not done a YouTube video because I just didn't feel like it. Anyway, so as you can probably already tell, it is a homeware item. And thinking back now, I probably should have just bought 2 of them. She did offer me the set, but I was like, I just want one because I'm just gonna put my, you know, the jewelry I'm wearing daily in it. Okay, so here it is. It is this beautiful mosaic 024 dessert plate. Now my intention for this is to put the jewelry I'm wearing daily in here, not like just all my jewelry. So like, you know, this Tiffany bracelet, the earrings I'm currently wearing, the fashion earrings I'm currently wearing, and you know, a wedding ring one day, things like that are what I intend to put in here. So this would be like on my nightstand, by my bed, or it could be on top of like my chest of drawers in the area next to like my perfumes and stuff, where I get ready and wear my undergarments and, you know, put my perfume on and then put on the jewelry for the day. So that is my intention. I actually do plan on purchasing more like dinnerware from Hermes. Like I want the big bowl for like, you know, putting meat and whatever you're serving to your guests, so I have that as a beautiful centerpiece during nice dinners at home. And also so I want like 2 or 3 of those, probably 2 or 3, I don't know. Anyway, I want those for, you know, just on a regular Sunday, whatever, if I'm serving my family, and that it's something special. I don't know if I'll ever get to a point where I purchase the entire set, because putting these through the dishwasher is probably a no-no. And honey, who wants to hand wash everything? Okay. And hand washing also introduces more risk of it breaking, which I don't want. But anyway, I digress. So basically what I'm saying is, this is the beginning of my collection. This one piece was 200, no, I don't remember how much it was. Maybe it was more than 150, I believe. But you know, to me it's worth it. I mean, there's so much detail in this, and all these little squares here, like, actually, I don't know if it's focusing or not. I can't really see my viewfinder right now. All these little dots along the corners actually glimmer, so there's some kind of gold plating on there, which I think is beautiful, and the H, of course. But for now, it's perfect for my everyday jewelry. So those are the 2 items. I don't know why I was so long-winded in this video, but anyway, I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. Happy Friday, and I will see you next week. Trying to stay on a schedule of uploading. Okay. All right. Thanks, guys. That's why you get 3 videos this week. Okay. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.